Hi, I'm Ian Wallace, and I'm the set designer for Great American Trailer Park Musical. The job of the set designer is to read the play and then design the world that the play takes place in. So for this play, the show takes place in a trailer park. So I started by reading the play and doing lots of research on trailer parks, looking at images online and in books of trailer parks, and specifically of trailer parks in Florida, because that's where our show takes place. From there, then I come up with a design that works within the stage theater. Here's a look at our set for the Lyceum Theater for Great American Trailer Park Musical. We have 3 different trailers on stage for the different characters live in them. Center stage, there's the Garstecki trailer. Off on stage right, there's the trailer that Pippi lives in. And then stage left, there's a trailer that opens up and becomes a strip club at several times. All these trailers are in this trailer park, and down stage center on the apron of the stage, we've designed an abandoned, dried out pool that the characters live in, kind of a communal living room that they all interact in around their trailers. Here's the ground plan of the Lyceum Theater at the Horton Plaza with our ground plan with our set for Trailer Park Musical in there. This is a plan view, a ground plan view, a bird's eye view of the center Garstecki trailer and its porch. Stage right is Pippi's trailer, and then stage left is the strip club and dressing room that we saw. And an upstage here is a cinder block fence you can see in a ground plan. Here we have a paint elevation of the outside of the strip club trailer and the brick that's inside the trailer. The paint elevation includes information of color and of texture, things the painter needs in order to duplicate this look and this texture on the actual set pieces. The paint elevation here shows the cinder block texture and the paint treatment that the painter needs in order to be able to paint the actual set piece. Here you can see the paint crew has been working on the paint treatment of the brick for the strip club. The brick and the cinder block are made from a recyclable material that the technical director, Adam Lindsay, was able to find. Usually that's the kind of stuff we buy out of plastic, but luckily we were able to find a more green option. Here we are on the stage of the Lyceum Theater, where the set is currently being installed. Let me show you some stuff. Over here, there are some of the signs that we saw in the model that have been installed here, as well as one of the trailers is almost finished here. And then upstage, the center trailer is going in, as well as the turntable that turns it around. And the crew is working on installing that turntable and the winch that powers it right now. And over on stage left, this trailer is currently being painted, as well as you can see over there some more signs that are framing the proscenium. You can see the base for the upstage cinder block wall that's being installed. We saw the top layer of that being painted in the shop, and here we can see where it's going to eventually end up on stage. This trailer was bought on Craigslist by the technical director, Adam Lindsay, and he's been modifying it for the needs of the show. He's added a hatch to the top where someone can pop out. He's putting an exit into the back of the trailer so people can enter in and off, and he's modified the on-stage door so that it can do little scenic tricks.